Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Huntington Bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar type in huntington.com and click on enter. After that you will be directed to official homepage of Huntington Bank. Now at the right hand side you can see a small box where you can type in your username and password. After typing in your password, click on login button to log into your bank account. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this link, or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to reset it. You can also select which type of account you want to get logged in, either it's personal and business or commercial or an other account. Select it accordingly. Or if you are new to this bank, click on Enroll Now link to create a new bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.